Hello and welcome to Oko Garden. In this video, I'll be unboxing an LED panel that was sent to me as a gift by Bloom Plus. I'll also be setting it up in my indoor seed starter since I start a lot of my plants indoors. Let's jump right into the unboxing. Right away, I can tell this is going to be a nice light due to all the trouble it took me to open this box. And just when I thought it was over, there was more box to unbox. I'll just skim the instructions and YouTube whatever I don't know. My first impression of this light is that it's pretty heavy duty. It comes with a pre-attached grounded power cord and bubble wrap. Here's a quick side-by-side of my new light and my old light. Next, I'm going to attach the cables that came with the LED panel to the aluminum backing. I had to YouTube this next part because I never used a rope ratchet before. It works like a levy system, but it was a little confusing at first, so I'll put the link on the bottom of how I learned. In order to hang this above my seed starter, I had to use 2 hooks I bought at Home Depot and a hammer drill to drill into the concrete ceiling. Because I shot this video at night, I had to wait until the morning to be able to make all that noise. So in the meantime, I set up some seeds so that I can test these lights out over the next 30 days. When I start my seeds, I like using biodegradable pots to not disturb the root system when I transplant them. I use a basic seed starter and I mist each pot because they tend to dry out. The seeds I'm holding are seeds from a local pepper I grew last season. When I want to grow something new, I buy seeds from Seeds of Change or Botanical Interest. Bok choy, which I haven't grown yet, so I did not get this. I'm starting it from seed, but I mean, it does not come from my garden yet. I keep the seed starters inside of a tray to ensure moisture. These biodegradable pots tend to dry out very easily. Once day broke, I was able to hang the light to my ceiling over my little greenhouse. Per the instructions, I'm told to hang this light 24 inches above germinating seeds. A feature I really enjoy about this light are the rope ratchets, which allow me to adjust the height of the light by pressing down on a little lever on the side and pulling on the rope. With the right height and my seeds in my greenhouse, let there be light, and it's lit. Here's a side-by-side comparison. On the left is the light from Bloom Plus that has a lot more bulbs than the light I previously had, and you can see the difference in the brightness. The Bloom Plus light is much brighter. Check back in 30 days to see how my seedlings turned out.